So welcome back to another video. Sandwich about starlink bad for Elias. Start pack for the Xbox One. Explore more on www.bestbuy.com. I don't have an Xbox for this one. Ready, everyone? 10 plus. This one you talk. There's a bag. 8 plus. Step 1, choose your pilot. Step 2, select your starship. Step 3, combine any weapons. Step 4, see it come to your left and games. Let's open it up. Tapes. Oh, wait a minute, there's a game that I don't have. Is that true that I don't have the console for this one? I bet it is. Sometimes this game doesn't sure that this console. Sometimes this game doesn't sure this game. Sometimes this game doesn't sure if this have any features to tell you. I don't have any consoles for this. Maybe my cousins have it. I don't have a console for this one, but because I broke it alive because I don't have any more. I'll open it for you. There's the front spine in the bag. I'll put it in my collection. I will keep it sealed. Oh, and here's this one. And here's this one. Here's the map. Oh, it's a poster for this kind of thing. Whatever this is. Oh, check out this thing. That's so cool. If we don't know what it is, for sure, comment down below if you know that one it is. I don't think this is kind of thing. I don't think this is kind of that. This thing. I don't think this is kind of that ship that kind of reminds me of. And a figure. I'll get nice and gently. There we go. Well, tell me about this. It's so cool if we don't know what this character recognized me in, so that's what we know. Weapons. And also, I also don't know what it is. Comment down below if you don't know what this is.
Don't damage it, use it. Leave it like that.
Okay.
Leave it like that. Don't open it. This one is collectible. You tell people on the internet this is collectible. Don't damage it.
Yes, it's collectible. It's kind of hard to get out of the box. Also, this kind of reminds me of when this happened to me for no good reason. This is so cool. If we don't know what it is, sometimes they haven't seen it for a while. Come on. It's stuck. How will never get out? How will never come out? Unfortunately, it all got pushed together. Please say bye. And it's loose. And they're loose. So these are the ones that we don't. So these are the ones that we just don't know what it kind of reminds me of. Some unfortunately doesn't shoot weapons. And here's instructions. So why did I don't have Xbox console for this one? Well, I don't need a console for that one because I don't have a console. Let me know if you don't know what it is. Sometimes they don't know how to use this one. Because if you don't know what it is, I'm going to tell you something. We don't know what we can use this game for no good reason. That's why we know for this for a half an hour. And that's what we know. This was supposed to Starlink, but for lettuce, a star set for the Xbox One. Bye.